Did you know that monster truck events attract millions of fans every year? Imagine merging the creativity of crafting with monster truck design. That would result in groundbreaking concepts. Picture a monster truck with custom resin body panels featuring a holographic powders and unique themed inlays. Today I begin our project with mixing up the resin into our little cups, so I have all different colors. And I am using Let's Resin's resin today. And why I'm adding these different mixtures of colors, I want to have my plaque to be many different variations of colors, because I'm going to be adding a design today and I want to have my colors to match. Now the colors that I'm using are all from the same company, and I will put that company name up on the screen, as because it is difficult for me to pronounce. And now I'm going to begin to pour each of the colors. I decided to pour it back and forth on the mold, and then I just decided I'm just going to go any which way, because this side is going to look different than the side that's facing us. And you'll see that when I demold that. So I am just going to continue pouring each of my colors until the resin is gone and the mold fills up. And now, while our mold is curing, we will work on the design. And I will be printing out the design on my Cricut machine. So I'm going to have just a brief moment where I show you how I did that. Now here you see me lining up the paper, the vinyl, onto my mat. And here's my Cricut machine cutting out our design. I don't do all the layers on the video because I have 5 layers. I'm just showing you one. They're all done the same way. And now it's time to weed, is what's known in the Cricut community. But what I'm doing is I'm removing my cut piece from the vinyl sheet. Now I wanted to show you this little trick that I learned. I'm not sure if I saw it or if I just figured it out on my own. But if you are using a real glittery type of vinyl, if I use a flashlight, it kind of takes away that extra glare so that I can find where I need to weed my vinyl. You can also use your finger by the rub test. You may feel an opening where it's been cut. You might be able to do it that way because I do it that way as well. Now I'm just getting my transfer tape lined up for what size that I need. And what that is it's a clear, transparent type of film that you put on top of whatever you printed so that you can remove it off its background and set it on top of what you're working on. Now that our mold is all cured, it's time to add our design. And I will do this by adding one cut piece over the other cut piece until my design is complete. Now I'm just mixing up some dark gray with some UV resin, and I'm adding that below the tires to make it simulate like he's going through mud. I've already done one tire, as you can see, and now I'm going to show you how I did that. Now that I have our resin mixed up for our top coat, I've added a little bit of crushed crystal just to give it a little added sparkle on the top. Is a monster truck's favorite type of music, heavy metal. The moment has arrived when we can demold our project. And if you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts and subscribe for more creative projects. And turning it over, here is our other side. Two different patterns, two different platters if I wanted it to be. But I chose this side because I thought that looked better with the monster truck. And now I'm just going to clean up a little bit of overspill and with my cuticle cutters and my emery board.